Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
We are at the water park today. If you don't live close to a beach, water parks can be a great place to go.
In today's lesson, we will learn how we can measure area with the use of square units. In the last lesson, we learned that an area is the space occupied by a shape. Area is measured or calculated using square units. We call it square units because in a square, all sides are the same. The units are written as square centimeter or square meter.
When we measure area on a square grid, the length of each side of one square in the grid is equal. The area of one square in the grid is 1 centimeter square. The area of the entire grid is 16 centimeters square. The area of the blue box inside the grid is 4 centimeters square.
There are two ways to find the area of a shape. By counting the number of square units inside a shape, or by multiplying the length and width of the shape. Here's an example. The length of this pool is 10 meters. The width of the pool is 4 meters. Hence, the area of the pool is 10 multiplied by 4. That equals to 40 meters square.
Wave pools are one of the most fun activities in many water parks.
One of the largest wave pools can be found in South Korea with an area of a whopping 167,000 square meters.
Let's take a look at some more shapes and see how we can find out their area. This figure is made up of squares that have sides of 1 centimeter. Since the shape is made up of 10 such squares, the area of the shape is 10 square centimeters. Look at this shape. It is made up of 12 units of 1 meter squared. So the area of the shape is 12 square meters. This grid has more than one shape. What is the total area of both the shapes? Shape A is made up of 4 square units of 1 square centimeter. The area of shape A is 4 square centimeters. Shape B is made up of 5 square units of 1 square centimeter. The area of shape B is 5 square centimeters. The area occupied by both the shapes is 4 square centimeters plus 5 square centimeters equals to 9 square centimeters. Although water parks are fun, it is important to be careful and follow all the rules when we visit. Don't forget to be careful and have fun while doing the quiz that's coming right up.